Hello everyone and welcome back to another EasyWay video where I'm going to teach you how you can get any game on PC. Well, this is very simple, so let's dive into this tutorial. Okay, so we are here. As you can see, I'm on Epic Games. So if you go to store, in this first method, you can see that there are a lot of games that you can buy for lower prices, and also Epic Games used to give away free games all the months. So let's see which is the free game today. As you can see, today CIGNI game is free, also DNF Duel, so you can check it out. I will let the link on the description, and the next method is going to Steam. As you can see, also the games are free, and the Steam store is very cool. I used to use this store mostly. And the third option is the PC Game Pass from Xbox. That is very cheap. In my case, it's $5. So for $5, you can play a lot of games. For example, I go to games here, go to explore the games, and I can check it out. For example, let me see. PC games, also this works for Xbox, but we are focusing on the PC games. I can play Doom 1 and 2, Crash Bandicoot. Oh, sorry, this is for console. So on PC we have Doom, Creatures of Ava, Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3, eSports FC24. We have a lot of good games for $5, so you can check it out. Among Us, Ark Survival Ascended, Assassin's Creed Odyssey Origins Valhalla, Battlefield. So if this video helped you and you find it useful, please subscribe, comment, share, like, press the bell on the subscription button, and see you next time in another video. Goodbye and the easy way.